In this session, let us learn about Java classes OOP. What is OOP? OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. Procedural programming is about writing procedures or methods that perform operations on the data, while object oriented programming is about creating objects that contain both data and methods. Object oriented programming has several advantages over procedural programming. OOP is faster and easier to execute. OOP provides a clear structure for the programs. OOP helps to keep the Java code dry, don't repeat yourself, and makes the code easier to maintain, modify and debug. OOP makes it possible to create full reusable application with less code and shorter development time. The don't repeat yourself dry principle is about reducing the repetition of code. You should extract out the code that are common for the application and place them at a single place and reuse them instead of repeating it. What are classes and objects? Classes and objects are the two main aspects of object-oriented programming. Look at the following illustration to see the difference between class and objects. See, fruit is a class, apple, banana, mango are objects. Car is a class, Tata, Audi, Toyota are objects. So a class is a template for objects and an object is an instance of a class. When the individual objects are created, they inherit all the variables and methods from the class. You learn much more about classes and objects in the next chapter. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 22, Java classes OOP. In next video let us learn about another topic, Java classes or objects. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.